Welcome to my channel. Today our topic is morning walk. It is an old saying, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Health is great wealth. A sound body has a sound mind. The scene before the rise is very charming and attractive. To enjoy the beauty of nature and to improve my health, I get up early in the morning. In the morning, I go for a walk along with my friend Rahil. A canal flows at a distance of 1 kilometer from my house. The cool and fresh morning breeze refreshes us. We see small birds chirping in the trees. The dewdrops on the green grass shine like pearls. We see the farmers working in their fields. We meet many people going to the canal. After some time, we come back and go to school. Morning walk is very useful. It gives us a light exercise which makes us healthy. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.